Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom because here we can find digital well-being and parental controls. And if you will enter this option for the very first time, your device will give you the opportunity between choosing, the opportunity to choose between the well-being and parental controls. So just tap on the first option, which is usually the well-being. After that, you will be transferred directly to this section, to this graph, which shows us for how long I've been using this device today. So you can see that it has been used for almost 2 hours, and most of the time was spent on the settings or the benchmark. So basically we've got here the unlocks and the notifications count, but I just wanted to say that we've got 2 different ways to check some further details. So you can tap directly inside the graph and then we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show us the graph connected to the whole screen time. Of course, we can change it to the notifications received and times opened, but you can see that it is divided between 2 different days because we've been using it for 2 days. And here you've got all the apps listed with the time you've spent on it. And the second way to check the details is to tap directly on the app. So let me pick the settings, just tap on it, and as you can see, again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is connected tightly to this one app, so in my case the settings. Again, we can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and here from daily to hourly if you want to. Alright, so basically this is how to check the total screen time, and just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect, because it's quite a cool option if you need the time for yourself, you want to rest, you want to sleep, you want to work, or you just don't want to be disturbed. You can set those modes, so for example the focus mode. As you can see, you can mark the apps which are distracting, set the schedule, so pick particular days and time in which your device will be allowed to do something with those apps. After turning it on, your device will simply limit the notifications from those apps. So if you will not see them, you will not be distracted. So that's really cool, and I highly recommend to learn more about those modes. So basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.